I'm an independent Democratic candidate. Independent in that I don't have anybody supporting, I don't have anybody who's sponsoring my candidacy. I don't have anybody who's financially invested in my campaign, in my candidacy. What's the best thing for the county? I don't have to ask somebody where we're going to buy our office furniture from, or where we get our water supply from, or who do we buy our paper from, who do we get our copy machines from. That's going to be all bid. We're going to put everything out to bid, and we're going to get the best quality for the best amount of money. We have commissions, we have authorities. Find the right people to put on those commissions. Find the right people to put on those authorities. I'm not going to owe people a commissioner's position or an authority position. I was asked at one of our recent debates, they said with all the corruption that was going on in Luzerne County, with the trial that's going on in Lackawanna County in a couple of weeks with our former commissioners, they said, how can you help rid Lackawanna County of the corruption? Here's the answer. How do you get rid of corruption in the government? Do the right thing. It's not rocket science. It's not hard to do. You get in the office, you run the office, you do the right thing. You get the right people and the right jobs, and you do what you think is the right thing to do, and there won't be corruption. There will be efficiency. You'll be effective, and you'll be serving the people, and the people will be supportive of your efforts as a county commissioner.